What if I told you these stunning drone shots were never filmed in the real world? No drone flew through these locations. No camera captured these scenes. Everything was generated by AI with just a few clicks. Today, I'll show you how anyone can create professional drone-style videos from home using only AI. Step 1. Get your image. The first thing we need to open is Google Gemini. Go ahead and open that up. Now, to create a drone video, you first need a photo. To generate an image, click the plus button inside Gemini and select Create Image. Now just write a simple one-line prompt. For example, I typed wide-angle drone camera image of the Eiffel Tower, golden hour, evening lighting, 16:9 ratio. Hit submit and just like that, your image is ready. Download it. That's it. With just one line, you can generate a high-quality reference image for any location in the world. Once you have your image downloaded, step 2. Generate the drone video. Open Google Flow, start a project, click on the Options button and under the video settings, select the Omni Flash model. Select 16:9 aspect ratio. First, upload the photo you just downloaded. I'm using the Taj Mahal image here. Now write your video prompt. Here's the prompt I used. You can screenshot this or note it down. First person POV camera rapidly moves forward. Ultra fast travel speed, smooth motion, realistic perspective, natural motion blur, seamless continuous movement. Now just wait while it processes. Look at that. Just look at that movement. That camera push into the Taj Mahal is incredibly cinematic. The motion, the speed, the lighting, all of it looks professional. And think about what it would take to shoot this for real. The drone, the permits, the crew, the cost. Here, you wrote one prompt. So that's how easy it is to create professional drone videos using AI. For free from your phone or PC. If you found this useful, give the video a like and subscribe to Tweak Library for more AI guides like this.